Compound words. Brain break activity. What is a compound word? A compound word is a word where two or more words have been grouped together to create a word that has a different meaning.
Welcome back to my channel Learn and Play with Shibasish. Please subscribe.
Look at the pictures and guess the word. Example: rain plus bow tie. The answer is rainbow. Are you ready? Pen plus cake. Answer is pancake. Butter plus fly. Answer is butterfly. Star plus fish. Answer is starfish. Basket plus ball. Answer basketball. Egg plus plant. Answer eggplant. Cup plus cake. Answer is cupcake. Key plus board. Answer is keyboard. Sun plus flower. Answer is sunflower. Sea plus horse. Answer is seahorse. Well done.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye.
Bye.